my god.
It's true! It's true! Oh my god!
What's this?
Oh! Oh! What's outside?
Nothing. I just want to turn the light on.
Oh, what'd you get, Mama?
Wow.
Oh, look at our stockings! Whose bike is that? Danny's?
That's yours because it's big. It's big.
Who's it too?
Oh! We both got controllers.
Well, the bike is for Manny. It's
I
training
think
wheels.
the bike is Manny's.
That's your bike, Manny. Michael has a bike.
Yeah.
What are you?
Michael got a basketball
Dang.
court thing. Manny got a bike. Sassy Fresh got a swing.
Oh.
I didn't get my... Oh, that's fine. I got other stuff from Santa. Wait, he took the note! But Kenny... Oh, it's right here.
What is it, Mama?
So, a basketball. Oh, maybe it was that he thought that was a bad
Move your butt, dude.
Manny, let's look at her stocking.
Yeah, he likes this remote control car.
Yeah, because I never had a truck.
Oh, he just helped them. We don't want that to fall now.
Cookies.
I know, he
Oh.
ate his cookies. That one's mine.
Hey! She has my candy cane.
No, that's hers. That's hers. Here, Manny.
Here you go, Manny. You're welcome.
Candy cane.
What?
Mm.
Oh, I got gum and 2 race cars.
What?
Gum?
And 2 candy canes.
Ay, Chihuahua.
Manny got 4, 3
Santa
candy
Claus
canes
brought these
and
boys
a Hot
gum.
Wheel.
Oh, what are those?
Got that too.
Man, but I
Hey, that's mine. You already broke Michael's.
Gum?
Man,
Let's see, what's in mine?
No. What?
I got 3 candy canes, 2 cars.
Oh, Santa
I
brought
got
Mama
an
some
extra.
socks.
What? I got an extra, Mama.
But Michael, you can share.
I know.
with them.
You first, you.
Oh, I got gum too. Strawberry gum.
What? You're looking in yours?
Yeah.
Daddy got a lot.
Daddy got something.
Underwear.
Underwear.
Ooh.
Alright.
Look at him.
New underwear.
Guess that's your present.
Johnny's!
Nothing else.
What's this one? You guys got a blanket?
And Daddy got
Oh wait, this looks like it's for Romeo.
That is for
This for you,
Romeo.
Manny.
It's your gum. You got Tony's.
Manny, look, you got a hat.
I think this is.
Look,
Manny got a
Romeo.
hat.
Romeo,
Michael has one. Michael has
look.
one.
Look at the blanket.
That one.
Romeo, look. This is your blanket. He could care less. That way you don't sleep on the couch. How did Santa know? Hmm? Go lay down in your blanket. Lay down. Lay down.
Mine. I'm already opening mine.
Hey. Oh yeah, we're all tired.
Romeo's skin.
Yeah, we got a blanket. Romeo! This is actually pretty soft.
Wow.
Oh, he's so sad.
Oh. Open my gum.
Let's wait to open the gum.
Are you recording it?
Oh, yeah.
Hmm.
Come here.
We can put it on the couch. Nothing away. I can't believe this right here. I got it.
There. Go.
Open my gum. I open my gum. I open my gum.
What do you have, Romeo? What is that? Uh-oh. Bye.
Ask Mom or Daddy first.
Can I have a piece?
He has a
Let's
skirt
wait.
on. He has a skirt on. Oh, never mind.
Yeah, but
He has no skirt.
Anything to brush your teeth?
I did.
Just go brush your teeth first. Brush your teeth and we'll have some breakfast.
all right.
Daddy. What type are these?
Those are double A.
Sandra, can you say bye-bye?
Yeah.
Hey, bye-bye.
I got 2 cars. Where must be? Is my bag in the car? Oh. Mama,
What?
is my Mustang in the car in my bag?
Yes.
Oh.
Bye-bye. Merry Christmas.